Hi, I'm Matt with Cover Glass. Thanks for joining us today for a presentation on our frameless sliding glass door system. This panel here opens up, stacks at a 90-degree towards the inside of the space. Every panel will magnetize to each other, only 1 inch per panel. You choose on any given day how many panels you'd like to open and stack, whether that's just one panel, whether you want to create air gaps in between the panels, or leave half the panels closed, half the panels open. In between the glass panels is our translucent UV protected weather seal, 2 pieces of tempered glass. You're not going to break the glass. It's incredibly strong. The bottom track we always look to make flush in your floor. There's nobody else that sells our system. There's nobody else who installs our system. You'll work directly with us from beginning to end. Thank you very much, and hopefully you enjoy using our frameless system.